Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Miguel's View. Let's talk about our watch list for tomorrow. Let's get started. All right, guys, let's go ahead and start with the SPY here. And as you can see, the SPY here, we ended up in a doji. Okay, with some nice green volume showing signs of reversals. So looking very, very good here on the weekly. You could see we are breaking above this downtrend. So we want to see this coming week, guys, is for a candle to form above this downtrend to finally break to the upside. Now, if we do break and we do stay above the upside, we can, in a couple of weeks, probably make a new all-time high on the SPY. So let's keep an eye on that. We do need to stay above this trend line this week to come. And let's go ahead and zoom out a little bit here on the daily. You can see on the daily we are hitting some sort of resistance here on this 445 area. Also have this EMA. We do have some green momentum coming to the upside. We did finally break on this downtrend on the daily as well, so looking very bullish. But we did hit some resistance. We had some 3 days of a nice rally uptrend. And let's look at the hourly here. I'm going to show you why I was looking at this 445 as a level of resistance. Now, this is a line here that I had. This is a trend here. Let me go to my trend. This is a trend here. If you draw it right here that I had, okay, on my day trading charts, and this is the level that I was looking for, between 444 and 445 to hit to the upside. And you could see here we hit it to the dot. All right, and so we are gonna have some resistance for tomorrow. And what I am looking for some more upside later this week, but we've had 3 days of nothing but upside. So tomorrow I am looking for some type of downward movement, maybe to around this 437 436 area, and then bounce back to this upper channel. So this is what I think we're gonna have, is some sort of channel like this where we're gonna be bouncing and making lower highs and higher highs. And so keep an eye on for that on the SPY. That's what I am going to be looking for. And again, day trading will give you opportunities to trade it, trade some puts and trade some calls as well. So plenty of opportunities going down and going up in day trading. So definitely keep that up. We'll see how we end up at the open. Let's see what pre-market does. Maybe pre-market we'll have the move to the downside, and then we will look for some upside right at the open. So let's keep an eye on SPY for tomorrow. And same thing for the Qs. Let's look here at the Qs at the daily. All right, same thing. We got some a doji candle here with some nice green volume and showing signs of reversal here. We are also breaking this downtrend, and we are hitting some resistance here with we used to be support and now it's resistance. So let's see if we can break above that this week on the weekly and form close above it. So that's what we're going to be looking at. Now on the Qs on the daily, we do have room to run to about 358. This is the area that I would be looking for. If trading this one, 358 is the next area of resistance on the daily. And we'll zoom out more here on the hourly. Okay. Let's zoom out a little bit more. No. So on the hourly, we have room to 360 and then 370 on the Qs. That's what you need to be looking for. Now look at this nice big downtrend here on the hourly. So same thing, watch for a test of resistance to the downside, and then a move to the upside. So anytime we break trends, we look for a test of resistance, and then a test of trend, and then move back to the upside. So watch that, looking very nice here on the Qs. Let's move on to NVDA. Let's look at the daily here. Okay, daily again, we bounced right off this level that I've been talking about in my channel for some time now. These were great areas of dip buying. I did mention that, as well as AMD. Great support areas where you can see we've been bouncing off of, and we bounced off this area really nice. When we're here, I told you it wasn't financial advice, but I told you I would be adding in these areas and NVIDIA for long-term investing. Now we are breaking this downtrend, all right, on the daily, and we're moving to the upside. We are hitting some resistance again, but we do have room to move to about the 290 to 300 area in the next coming days. So watch for that. If we go here to the hourly, you can see we also broke this trend on the daily. Watch for a test of trend and then back to for a bounce. So watching tomorrow to see if we get any type of pullback and potentially bounce right back to make another high intraday. So keep that on watch for NVIDIA. Also, let's look at Tesla. Let's look at Tesla closed on the weekly. Again, with a doji breaking trend, they all have the same pattern, guys. The green volume is not the greatest there, but in all, guys, we never saw the 700 again. We came to 750, I believe, and then we bounced right off. So again, doji candle here on the weekly, hitting resistance on the daily. So this is gonna be tough to get through. On Tesla, we could go probably hit 921 tomorrow before we can reject. So let's keep that on watch. Let's go ahead and look at the hourly and let's zoom out a little bit more. Hourly, again breaking that downtrend, and we have some room to about 924 and then 943. Those would be areas of resistance where people are gonna come in and take profits, and also probably play some puts to the downside. So watch this area on Tesla. Those are the levels I'm going to be watching for tomorrow. Let's move over to AMD. AMD again came to test that 100. That's a great deep buy right there. We closed with some great volume, momentum shifting here on AMD, guys. We haven't broken the downtrend on the weekly, and on the daily you can see here we're getting 120 area is going to be tough resistance, so watching that. And then if we go to the hourly here, on AMD, yeah, 160 is going to be tough. If we can get above that, we have 118, 120. Those are the levels I'll be watching on AMD. 118 to 118. Yeah, 118 to potentially 120, 124. That is the areas you want to be watching for resistance. And let's go ahead and move on. Now, something I'm watching all the electric vehicles this week as well. Here on LYFT, watch this one. We did close on a doji here with green volume. Watch this this one. This is an inside bar play, guys, on LYFT here. Let's go ahead and zoom in more. All right, inside bar plate, and also a doji candle. If we break above, we get some calls. If we break below, we get some puts. Watch that for the weekly. Let's go to the daily. Daily, we are breaking down below this downtrend, so it does look like this wants to break up to the upside, and 40 will be first target here. We can get above that, we can go run 44. So watch LYFT, 40 and 44 targets. My bias is we break to the upside. All right, and then watching also ride has been beaten down so much. Okay, I think we hit a low of $2. Wow. From we've come down from, my goodness, back in January we were at 6. No, this is January. We're trading about $3 or $4, but last year we were at 15. So what a drop. But watching this one also on the weekly here. Okay, doji. Watch for a break to the upside or the downside. Moment volume, all right, coming in. We have this one, we have room to 320 to 350 before we get some resistance. So keep right on your watches if you like that one. And then we have NIO. Okay, NIO, look at the volume that came in here on the weekly chart. We have an indecision candle here, and same thing, watch for a break to the upside. On this one we have room 26 to 30 on the weekly. We go to the daily here, we are hitting some resistance here, but again 26 will be target if we can get above this 22 area. So keep that on watch. Some nice volume coming in here. Looking good here on NIO for potential some more potential upside. So watch. I think tomorrow pre-market we're probably gonna have a pullback, and then you know, find some support and kind of rally up, or just find some consolidation tomorrow. We've been rallying up, guys, for the past 3 days. I think Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, where pretty much we rallied all day, all the days. And just look for continuation this week. We might consolidate Monday or have a pullback Monday, and then continue going Tuesday and Wednesday. So let's see what the market gives us. Let's look at the pre-market gives us. Again, let's watch the pre-market for some setups, and then when the market opens, let's execute. If you would like to trade live with us, the link is down below. You can go ahead and subscribe to our Discord channel, where I go live and trade live with the members there. So go ahead and click on that link if you want to join us on the live Discord feed, where I go live on voice and I trade with you guys. So if you would like that, other than that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your family and friends if they want to get into trading. I keep it simple and easy to understand, and hope you're enjoying that. Other than that, I'll see you guys mañana. Hope you have a good rest of the night. Enjoy with the family and friends, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios. Bye bye.